Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add an owner to your myQ app, step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you're sharing access to your garage door, gate, or smart home device, this guide will help you set it up quickly and securely. So make sure to watch till the end to learn exactly how it's done. First is open your myQ app. After that, go to the menu section. Next is tap the Users and Credentials option. Then tap the Add User. Check the co-owner and tap Continue. In here you will enter the person's name, email, and confirm their email. After that, click Continue. Please keep this in mind, the person you adding as a co-owner should already have myQ app installed. They should have created an myQ account and they should be already logged into their account. When that person checks their email, they receive an invitation link. By clicking the link, they can accept the invite. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add an owner to your myQ app in 2025. Now you can easily share access with family members or trusted users anytime. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home guides and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.